Hi friends, Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss a very unique strategy. Now, everybody know how to use stochastics, but if we can combine using stochastics in two multiple time frames, then you can get the best results, the best entry, and this way your risk to reward ratio will be really great. So let us have a look at the chart and understand how we can do this. Now, every single step of what I'm going to explain is very important. So it's important that you make note of every single step because what I'm going to share is out of my experience. So every single point is important so you understand the strategy properly and you can implement it while you are trading or investing in stocks, forex, crypto, commodity, wherever you want. It will work perfectly. So let us have a look at what stochastics is and then how we can combine stochastic of a smaller time frame with a higher time frame trend indicator. Okay, so we're going to combine both in this video. Now here on my chart, I have a 4-hour Bitcoin USD pair. Okay, and as you all know that lately there was a good bull run in the Bitcoin and you can see it. But how you can enter into the best trades, how you can enter into the best trades to make sure that you are making maximum profit. So for example, let us take this area over here. Okay, so this area is basically this area from 5th November to 10th November. On a higher time frame, you can see that a 50 EMA and a 25 EMA is visible. And here you can clearly see that the 25 EMA has cut the 50 EMA from the bottom going upwards. Once you see this cut, this is where you have to understand that you want to enter into a trade. Now, a lot of traders will convert this chart itself into a 30-minute chart and try to find an entry over there. But what I suggest is use two charts in this particular area. Now, what you do is you put a 30-minute chart, like you can see over here, above the 4-hour chart, and you go all the way back to 5th and 6th November. There you go. Right now, you can see we have 5th November, we have 6th November, and you see this large candle over here. This large candle is represented by this rally over here, 30 minutes chart. Now, I'm not going to explain exactly how a stochastic works. I'm sure everybody know how stochastic works. Basically, in stochastics, there is an oversold position, which is from 20 to 0, and there is an overbought position from 80 to 100. And you enter a trade when the K line and the D line crosses. Now, which is the K line, which is the D line? Very easy. You just go to indicators. So you go to indicators, you go to stochastics, you click on edit, and you can see the edit window is open. Levels are 20 and 80. We are happy with it. We have dotted black line. We are happy with it. So we have the two lines. There's the signal line and the main line, blue and red. We are happy with it. We go to the parameters, put the K at 5, okay, and keep the D at 3. That is the standard setting. Okay, here if you want, you can move to exponential, all right, and then you put okay. So the K percentage is red in color and the D percentage is blue in color. You close the window and you can see clearly over here. All right, so on 6th, you are seeing that your blue line has come below the oversold position and then it is cutting the red line from below going up and it has reached this zone over here between 20 and 80. That means it's a good entry point. So you use this entry point to enter with a 30 minutes chart. But remember, you're trading on a 4-hour chart. On a 4-hour chart, you have seen the crossover of moving averages of 50 EMA and 25 EMA. And the entry is being taken in a 30-minute chart using the stochastic. Now, normally, if somebody is using a single time frame, they would say that you enter over here and you exit over here at an overbought position. But if you look at the price movement is not much because the time you enter, the time you exit, you are not getting much movement over here. But now when you are trading on a 4-hour chart, you are entering using the 30-minute chart. Your entry point is $73,749. You put your stop loss at $72,024. But your exit is far ahead when the price comes below 50 EMA, or say when the price comes below 25 EMA. Now let us have a look on a 4-hour chart where you're exiting. So 73,749, 73,749, and stop loss is 72,024. So this is your entry point, this is your stop loss, and you can see the price went all the way up and you exited over here. Now, once you enter the trade, you are not even looking at your 30-minute chart. Now, your interest is only here. And here you can see that you're exiting at 95,073. And if you look at the risk to reward ratio, it is almost 10 times. Yes, 10 times you're getting profit. So if you just want to calculate and see this area over here, almost 2000 points, I would say, around 1,800 points. And this area over here, 21,000, as I said, almost 10 times. So friends, I hope that this little explanation that I gave on the chart will make it very, very clear that when you use a higher time frame and a smaller time frame. In this example, I've used a 4-hour chart and a 30-minute chart. In the 4-hour chart, you're looking for the trend. And in the 30-minute chart, you're looking for the entry using stochastics. The charts are looking very, very clean. You're not using multiple indicators. Of course, if you add a couple more things to it, your entry will become more stronger and robust. Like you can add trend lines, support and resistance. If you add these two things to this particular set, which I just explained, your trade will become more robust. Friends, to become successful in trading and investing, you have to be very, very patient. You need to give time to the markets. So, patience, practice, and persistence is very, very important in the market. And you have to keep learning, keep growing, and keep getting better every single day. Because that's the only way you're going to upgrade yourself. Friends, I have a community of traders and investors where we discuss all these different kind of strategies. It's called as Masters of Stock Market. If you're interested in joining this community where you can learn a lot of things about investing and trading, the link is available in the description. If you love the way I'm creating these videos, please like and share these videos. And if you're still not subscribed to my channel, I request you to kindly subscribe to my channel because this really motivates me to make more such videos for you. So like you, there might be many others who can learn from these videos how trading and investing can be done the right way and use these techniques to improve their trading and investing skills. That's all in this video, friends. Thank you. Namaskar.